All I can say is, we have tried it every other way and it has not worked. So I say again, my policy is very simple. It is this country and your government who should decide who comes here, not criminal gangs. And I will do whatever is necessary to achieve. Full control of our borders will allow us to decide who to help and to provide safe and legal routes for those most...
Illegal immigrants in the UK are still being detained for first flight deportations. The Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Rishi Sunak, has made no secret of his government's efforts to combat illegal immigration. He has been enforcing stricter visa regulations in a number of categories. There have been a few noteworthy developments lately. 11 males and 1 female were detained by UK immigration officials. They were all thought to be citizens of India. They were suspected of working illegally at a mattress and cake factory and breaking the terms of their visa when they were detained following a series of raids. The UK Home Office said on Wednesday that concerted efforts by immigration enforcement officials led to this action. They stormed the factory to make sure immigration laws were being followed. Following intelligence inputs, authorities in the West Midlands region of England took action against alleged illicit activity at a bedding and baking manufacturing. 7 Indian males were taken into custody for allegedly engaging in illicit labor on the property. Simultaneously, 4 additional Indian males were detained at a neighboring cake factory and discovered to be in breach of their visa requirements. One of them was operating without permission. Furthermore, at a private property, an Indian woman was taken into custody for visa violations. There were going to be further raids in the afternoon. According to the authorities, 8 of the criminals were freed on bail with the requirement that they report to the Home Office on a regular basis, while 4 of the offenders were held pending consideration for removal from the UK or deportation to India. In addition, should it be discovered that the 2 companies engaged illegal laborers without doing adequate background checks prior to engaging them, they may be subject to significant fines. The UK's Minister for Countering Illegal Migration, Michael Tomlinson,
this bill. We need to bring the process to a conclusion. Mr. Speaker, the Labour Party has voted against our measures to tackle illegal migration 134 times now. 134 times they have told the British people that they oppose our tougher immigration legislation. Enough is enough. The opposition have delayed this bill for too long.
We must highlighted the importance of this operation in stepping up national immigration enforcement. He said that companies that violate the regulations face even higher fines. Additionally, workers who are discovered to be residing or working outside of the nation will be expelled right away. The Home Office made a significant modification back in February. Employers who recruit undocumented workers now face significantly larger fines. The fine for each unlawful worker increased from PS 15,000 to PS 45,000 the first time a corporation was discovered. Additionally, the fine increased from PS 20,000 to PS 60,000 if it occurs again within 3 years. The effects of illegal labor on communities are severe. It defrauds the public of money and endangers those who are already vulnerable. Eddie Montgomery, a Home Office employee, wants everyone to understand the gravity of this situation. He claims that these arrests demonstrate their seriousness in resolving the issue. People traffickers deceive migrants into believing they can work in the UK, but Montgomery clarifies that this is untrue. Anyone found assisting in this crime or working unlawfully will be subject to the full weight of the law. Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister of Britain, is adamant about halting illegal immigration. In many instances, he is tightening the requirements for obtaining a visa. This week marks a change in the minimum income required for individuals from other nations, such as India, to get family visas for their relatives. The amount is going up from PS 18,600 to PS 29,000. This hike will bring the total amount for skilled work visas to PS 38,700 by early next year. According to the Home Office, this modification will guarantee the financial assistance of family members entering the UK. Additionally, the Home Office stated that there is a possibility that the employees who were detained were engaged in unlawful activity. It's critical to understand that people detained for immigration violations and illegal work fear arrest and deportation as a result of breaching the law. There are laws in place to ensure that individuals enter and remain in the nation lawfully, and those who break the law suffer the repercussions. Illegal immigrants should always follow the law, but it's also critical for everyone to stay informed about any modifications to immigration laws, particularly when there is a political shift. For the most recent news and information on immigration-related issues, be sure to subscribe to our channel and keep an eye on reputable sources. I hope you have an amazing day.